If you're running an online business in 2026 and you don't have this particular tool on your device, on your mobile phone or desktop, then you're missing a whole lot. Okay, as you can show on my screen right here, this particular website right here, it gives me a lot of visitors, clicks and sales from countries like Nigeria, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Ghana, India, Bangladesh and other countries. And in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use this particular tool to boost your online business. Whether you're running a blog, a YouTube channel, you're running an online business, you're selling a product, digital product, physical product that is online, you can actually automate it and to start promoting your product without you being there. Right here, this is my website, and you can see right here in the last 7 days we got over 109 views from this particular website, and also we got 95 visitors, real visitors. We got 2,800 likes on our post, and also we got 800 comments. The tool that made it possible is called Metricool. This is a social media management platform where you can actually use to automate your social media platform. All right, before you skip this video to try it out, make sure you watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to be showing you the little things that matter, that gives you result that most people don't talk about on YouTube. All right, and the few traffic we got from our website, we gained some tractions on our AdSense, on Adsterra, on Monetag. Okay, and all of these things happen from our website. All right, if you have a blog website, or you have a digital product you are promoting, or you have a business that you run online, you have to simply click on the sign up button. And the best part, you can actually sign up for free. Okay, the free version is going to simply help you. You can actually sign up on this very platform on Metricool with your Google account or your Facebook. Okay, or you can actually add your email address, you add your password right here, you accept the terms and conditions and all of that. So once you have that in place, click on the continue button, and they're going to simply ask you to connect your social media platforms. All right, so you can actually connect this now or you connect it later. Okay, since you're on free version, most of the social media platform you need to connect will not be available. Right, so you can actually decide to connect like 4 simple social media platform. Right, you can simply click on the finish button, and it's going to simply take you to your page just like this one right here. Okay, so you can click on more connection to find out more other platforms you can actually connect on your account. Okay, but this is what you have to know. You have to simply map out the platforms that you want to connect on this video platform based on your business. Okay, and also your objective and aim. So if you're connecting on this video platform because you want traffic, like you want traffic to your website that is monetized with Adsterra Monetag, AdSense and affiliate programs, okay, you have to actually make sure you connect to platform that will actually allow you to get link click. Okay, if you want traffic to your product, to your website, simply use Facebook. Okay, if you want traffic, link click and also product sales, don't use Instagram, because Instagram doesn't offer you link click. Okay, if you post a link on Instagram right now, it won't be clickable. Right, because we want traffic, we're going to be connecting to Pinterest. You just have to click on that particular account you want to connect. Okay, so let's say the platform is Facebook, you hit on Facebook right here. Okay, and you're going to simply make sure that if you're using browser for this, you have to make sure you log into your Facebook account with the same browser that you're using to log into this Metricool. Okay, so you can show right here, because my Facebook account is already logged in on this browser, automatically they're going to simply detect it, and I can actually decide to continue with this video account which says continue as John. All right, and automatically they're going to simply detect all the pages under that account. Okay, so if you click on this continue, I can decide to select John Francis. Okay, so if you click on John Francis, then this will be connected to my account. Okay, so I've already connected it. You can show right here it has been connected. That is just the way you have to simply connect all your account. Okay, so for instance, I want to get a lot of traffic. Remember, Pinterest right now is trending and a lot of people are getting traffic from Pinterest. If you click on Pinterest, if you want to connect Pinterest, click on it, and it's going to simply detect whether you have Pinterest on the browser or not. Okay, so let's allow it to load. You can see automatically it has already detected that I have a Pinterest account on the browser. Then I'm going to simply give it access to actually connect to my account. So it has been connected already. This is basically how you can actually connect many accounts as possible, right? The ones that can actually give you clicks. Okay, so if you're done connecting to the account you want, you can actually close it. All right, so when you close it, you can actually refresh this very page. You can see most of them are already here. So let's refresh the page. Then I'm going to simply walk you through on how the platform works right now. Okay, you can see right here we have the report. The report is basically where you can actually get all the analytics, how your account perform and all of that. Okay, we have the hashtag tracker. If you're using hashtag for your post, then you can actually use this particular section right here to track your hashtag, to know the ones that are trending and also the ones that are getting views, and then the ones that are dying off. Okay, then you remove the ones that are dying off. Right, and on this very header section we have a lot of things going on. We have the planning. The planning is where you can actually start creating your content. Okay, so if you want to create content, the plan is going to simply help you with that. All right, so we have smart link where you can actually create some bio page. If you want to run ad on this very platform, you can use the ad section right here, then connect your account to either Meta ad, Google ads, or TikTok ad, okay, then run your ad fully. If you want me to make a full detailed video on how to run ad with this very platform and get higher conversion, you can actually let me know in the comment section, okay? Go to your planning section. If you want to create posts right now, if you want to create posts, remember we've already connected our Facebook page, which is this one right here. So let's try to go to that Facebook page. Okay, so this was the last post on this very page. This was the last post on this very page 17 hours ago. So right now I'm going to be showing you how to create posts, how to schedule posts, and also how to make your post rank. Okay, so if you come to this very section right here, click on this create post right here. You can see right here we have Facebook and we have posts, we have reels, we have story. Okay, Pinterest is still unselected. All right, that is why you are seeing black and white color, but if you select it, the red color will pop up, right? That's basically how this thing works. Okay, and our sole aim of posting this particular stuff right here is to actually get traffic to one of our blog posts. Okay, so let me close this ad. So I'm going to be picking one post, and also I'm going to be making a post about it. Okay, for instance, if I want to promote this particular post right here, this is the post here. What I need to do is simply click on it, copy the post title, add it right here. So I can actually copy this part. Okay, then come over to this very section right here, come back here, you add it here. Okay, you can show right here we've already given value, okay, for this post, and we've already given them clue of what they're going to simply get on our website. Okay, so you need to do is simply go ahead and add image. This is the image we got. You can open it. There's one thing left right here for Pinterest and also for Facebook. Okay, we need to add the link that will support our post, okay, so that people will not just read and get stranded. They have to totally read and get to our post. Okay, so let's go back to this very section, copy this link. So because this particular link is very long, so we're going to simply be installing this for login on our website to make sure that everything is smooth and safe. Okay, so go back to your website, go to your website section right here, go to this very section right here, make sure you install this particular plugin. It is called Pretty Link. Okay, so you can see right here, this is the reason why you need a standard website, because most of these things right here are going to simply help you a lot to actually stay compliant with Facebook, with Pinterest. Click on this, add new Pretty Link. Some of you might be asking, why can't I use Tiny URL or Bitly? All those platforms are cool, but there are some platforms whereby if you add those links more often, they're going to simply be flagging you for spam, right? You have to use your real website for this and shorten it. Okay, let's call it Pay App. All right, then go ahead and add the targeted URL, paste it here. That long URL, you have to add it here. We're going to simply be adding this as well on that very page. Okay, we've already added it. Then you can add notes, but I don't like adding notes. Then click on this update button here, click on this and you copy the URL, then go to another page, then paste it. Let's see if it is the same thing. You can see we now have minjohnfrancis.com/payapp, right? Then you can actually add it here. Then on this very section you have to simply add the link here as well for Pinterest. Okay, then once you have that in place, go ahead and copy the title, copy it as well, add it for Pinterest. Okay, so click on this business. So we're going to simply select the date for the publishing as well. Select this. If you want to schedule post for 1 month, you can actually do that in a day. All right, all you need to do is simply pick each of these dates. For instance, if you're promoting all the posts on your website, that's going to simply be giving you massive traffic. This one will go to 13th, this one will go 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. All right, and you schedule them to post it now. You can actually click on this, publish now. So the post has been published. So let's go ahead and check out the post on our Facebook page. Okay, can show here the posts have been published right here. Okay, so this is basically how this thing works. So this particular platform right here is going to simply reduce the stress of you going to several pages to post your content. Okay, the best part is that you can use one day and schedule all your posts to run for 1 month. Okay, and that's going to simply be giving you a lot of traffic, and that is one of my secrets. So remember, I told you I'm going to be giving you a bonus tip. So if you have your website fully developed and delivered for you, go to your plugins right here, then go ahead and install this particular plugins right here. This is called Jetpack, and also connect your social media platform so that once you make a post on your website, it will go to those pages automatically, okay? And that's going to simply give you more traffic, more sales to your product, more installs to your application, your AdMob apps, and a lot more, okay? If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon. If you don't have any current online business right now, get yourself a website blog, get yourself an AdMob app, or get yourself a YouTube channel, and that is all you need to build a standard online business right now in 2026, okay? So see you in the next one.